Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about inverse function. So now I will show you the technique. So we put the y go to the left, or go to the right. So now x will be variable, y just be about the number in here. So now we will apply the formula to find the solution of the cubic equation. So in here we have ax to the power of 3 bx squared plus cx plus d equal to number 0 in here. So we know that b is about 0 because we don't have x squared. A is about number 1. C is about number 2. So you got about negative number 6. So we got delta in here. So we put in this one in here. And now we have A, B, C. We know that B equal to 0. This one go to 0. So now we just have only negative number 27. A, that's about number 1. D, that should be about y. We divide 2 multiplied with the absolute value of negative number 6 to the power of 3. So we calculate this one. You got about negative number 3y multiplied with the square root of number 6 over 8. So that's the first step. We know that delta is smaller than 0. So we just have only one solution. And here is the formula of this solution in here. First, b equal to 0, so we don't need to carry this one. Now we have k. That should be about this one. Delta, that should be about this one. We got about the square root of number 6 over 3. And we put about the root of number 3. K, that should be about this one. So I don't want to put the k in here because that's so big. So you just put k in here. And now you got the solution of s. And now we can find the inverse function of this one. That should be about the square root of number 6 over 3. And we change y into s, negative 3s multiplied with the square root of number 6 over 8. And we have plus the square root of this number in here. To the power of 2 plus 1. So now we do the same for the last one. and this is the final of the answer in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.